HBA, Perth's biggest building broker, takes care of absolutely everything. Complete custom home design and tender service, and guaranteed savings on your new home or your money back. Step 1. Intro meeting. HBA explain process. Discuss your project, answer any queries, budget forecasting, detailed design brief, free concept design. Step 2. Design process. Order site survey, R-codes reviewed, in-house designers, 3D elevation views, planning drawings, create a dream home. Step 3. Spec and tender. Finalise your design, unique specification, prepare tender docs, high-quality builders, review your quotes, your home, your way. Step 4. Selecting builder. Choose your shortlist, meet the builders, visit to current sites, check testimonials, select the winner, guaranteed savings. Step 5. Docs and approvals. Signing of your PPA, town planning review, submitted to planning, full working drawings, pre-start completion, swift approvals. Step 6. Contract finance. Contract docs signed, bank finance agreed, compliance approved, grant building license, all paperwork complete, start your new home. Step 7. Under construction. Building commences, celebrate slab down, building inspections, on-site client meetings, practical completion, HBA help throughout. Step 8. Congratulations! HBA handover meeting. Move into your home, housewarming gift, HBA pro photo shoot, 6-month maintenance, welcome home. Call Home Builders Advantage today for your free, no-obligation concept design, including colour 3D elevations. Free call 1800 284 539.